A joy of giving. Hello guys, this is Yundel again. Since it is cold outside now, I am here in my car talking with you. Guys, today I just want to talk about a joy of giving. Because many times I am being misunderstood. I am not rich, I am a poor single mom here in Norway. But guys, you don't need to be rich to give something. You have to give something from the desire of your heart. What you feel that can make you happy, just do it. And I am not that kind of person, a showy one. No, I am just a single poor mom. But guys, I don't know. I am what I am. I love giving. That is not much, but I love to give. That is my only happiness. Because I am being misunderstood because of that dollar sign here in this community. It is itchy in my hands, guys, if I cannot touch the touch of that dollar sign. I don't know why I am like that, but it is my happiness to give something to the host when they are serving good to people. They're having their LS. They are having a hard job to the people out there. They are doing a service to the people out there. Still, there is a buzzer. When I am going around in this YT platform, guys, I must feel the host. And when I can feel something, I don't know, I am not rich as what I said, but I just love to give. I just love to click that dollar sign. That is my weakness. And of course, that is my own consequences, probably, because it goes to my budget. But it's okay, because I believe the more you give, the more you receive. You must not give when you don't have. But still, guys, I have a weakness on this thing. I just love to give and give. I wish I have more than enough to give more out there. Because a lot of people out there need help. And many of the people in this community in YT, they're having LS and they are earning to give to other people, to give to charity. I want to give more, but I have nothing to give more. But still, I can give a little one to share those people who are having an LS, their income, they are giving it to the charity. Many in this YT platform, they are earning from their LS, they are earning money from YT, but still, it's not so much, but still, they're sharing their blessing to others, to some charity works. Guys, please, I hope people out there can understand me. I have my own happiness. I am creating my own happiness. Happiness is about creation in yourself. You must create that certain feeling in yourself. That is my joy, that is my happiness, to click that dollar sign, even I am not rich. But guys, remember, what you have given, it will always come back to you in some other thing. It's not necessarily from the same person, but the blessing is there when you are open to give to others. You are open to share to others. You are open to do a good service to others. And that's what I am seeing. The people out there having an LS, they dedicate themselves into that LS to serve the people out there. I feel good. I like the person. I like the host. So I touch that $. That is my happiness. And I hope someone out there can understand me. I am not rich, but still, it is my joy to give. It is my joy to give a little bit to someone else who are doing a good job out there. Having an LS is not easy. It takes an effort. It takes yourself to serve other people. But many people here in this platform doing a good job, earning money from their LS, sharing it to the charity works, helping others. I might not be good in helping others, carrying things or practical things. I'm not good because I'm not strong enough. I don't have the health. I don't have the time to do that, doing the hard work to help others. But that little thing that I can touch that $, to share it to others, there is a joy of giving within me. I do that because that is come from the desire of my heart. Guys, at my age, I'm old already, but I always respect myself when I don't like to do something. Most of the time, I do the self which I love to do, which I like to do, and like doing it. Because it's so uncomfortable to do things which is not your desire. Of course, you will not do that because it is not from your heart. But guys, when I touch that $, believe me, that is the desire from my heart. That is my happiness. That is my joy, giving away a little bit to the other people doing some live streaming, doing their job to serve other people. Guys, again, giving is not about being rich. Giving is about the desire of your heart. Please, guys, don't give something to others if you don't feel like doing it. Don't touch that $, button if you don't feel it that you like to give. I did that even it's only a small amount because it comes from my heart. That is the desire of my own heart, and I have joy and happiness doing that. Okay, it affects my budget, but I always believe God provides what I need. Even I don't have a husband who supported me in many years here in Norway, but still I'm grateful. I survive from the little that I have. I feel the more I give, the more God has been taking care of me and my children. So guys, please don't misunderstand me. I'm just doing the desire from my heart. That is my joy of giving. That is my happiness that I can share something to others. Because one thing that is my joy, that is my happiness. Another thing is respecting your own self. That is my feeling. I respect my own self to do that joy, to spend that joy for me. Some other people, they have joy in going to the pub, going to the bar, buying drinks, drinking. I'm sorry guys, I don't have that kind of certain thing, drinking, smoking. I don't have that thing. That is not my joy. Many people's just burning money, just smoking. That is not my joy. But touching that $, is my joy. Even it is just a little amount I am sharing out there. Because I am respecting myself, what I am feeling. I love the host who hosts the LS, serving other people, helping other people to get more subscribers. I'm glad they are doing a hard job. I cannot do that. Many growth channel, I appreciate because they help others. I cannot do the job. I appreciate their job, that they do a good job to help others, to help other channels to grow. I wish I can do that, but I don't have that kind of talent. I know myself, I cannot do that. It can be very stressful for me. Therefore, my channel is about promoting something, your LS, your premiere, the content of your channel. You can come to me and let us promote it together. I am going to help you. But those people who are grow channel, I appreciate them a lot because it is a stress job. For me, I'm looking at them, what they are doing. It is a stress job. I cannot make it. So I appreciate them. So I touch that dollar sign to share a little bit of my blessing to them. It's not much, but I share it. There is a joy of giving from my own heart. So I hope, guys, you understand me. Each and every one of us have different kinds of joy and happiness in our life. I am creating my own happiness. You are your own creation of your own happiness, to feel good, to feel love with yourself. It is about respecting and loving yourself. You love to do that, then do the thing. Don't do the thing if you don't feel like doing it. Respecting yourself is very important. So therefore, guys, respect yourself. Do the thing you love. I am doing the thing I love, even it is just a little one, to support the other channel, to support the host who are doing a good job serving other people out there. So I hope, guys, you understand me. And if you like what I am saying right now, please click the like button and the bell button so you are notified when I am making videos every day. This is just about life journey. A self-development. We can grow together as we go day by day, inspiring and motivating each other. I am not a master, I am not a teacher, but still, we can share each other's inspiring words and motivate each other to keep on going. This is a life journey. We can reach our goal. We can reach our success by helping and inspiring each other. I am just sharing with you some food for our thoughts and soul. This is Yundel again. I love you all and bye.